pretty good though. Yeah. You can't get enough of that burning rubber stink. What a treat. Oh, I better move this before Miss Peg comes home. She's gonna run the old boat over top of the old tire cords. Oh, the lawnmower's gonna love that. You don't need to worry about all the tire cords in the driveway. It's nature's tire cords. There. Mint. Well, she does a good burnout. Fourth gear, no problem. Ventilation's a bit of an issue. So that's pretty good. I could probably adjust that thing in a little bit, but for break-in, I'm just gonna leave her as is and give her all the way. Burnout trailer. I f***ed up all my swamp mats. I f***ed up everything because I'm stunned. I've clearly f***ed up this tail light. But what I haven't f***ed up is this driveway. So in Alberta we got this high quality clay, and once she hardens up and once she's dry, it's pretty much like pavement. We got to finish these tires off.
We just did about 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
It was dangerous. Nowhere near as dangerous as this.
This is fine.
This is sketchy. This is sketchy.
Going to town. Look at the body line.
If you watch and listen closely, you can hear this drunk cripple's brain go into full mongoloid mode to distract itself from the impending doom presented by the overinflated dump tire. If he shows fear, the dump tire will sense it, causing it to attack immediately. He keeps his calm by ingesting even more beer and a lip filled with zin.
And the American flag.
And she's straight.
Freedom. It is straight. Don't look at the other side, but this side's straight. There. Oh, you hear that? Yes, sir.
You have fun, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Superheating. More power. Intermix temperature 7,400 degrees. More power. Intermix temperature 7,400 degrees. More power. Degrees. More power. 2,000 degrees above maximum. More power. More power.
I'm giving her all she's got, Captain. If I push it any harder, the whole thing will blow.
More power.
Head noise.
5 minutes before critical mass.
Critical what?
More power. More power.
15 seconds to core meltdown.
More power.
He's golden. Is that fun? Gotta let her idle a few minutes, so buff right out. Oh yeah.
She just pumped a bunch out, man. It was pouring motor oil.
I think we still got 6 holes. Yeah, she's pissing out the oil.
What are you smiling about?
We'll let her have a 450-pound dive.
Now me and the mad scientist got to rip apart the block and replace the piston rings you fried.